Hi Therese, it's Roberto once again, and here's the update on those yen cross trades retracements. We didn't get much, and I'm actually going to be exiting all these trades. Had a loss on Swiss yen because it's getting very close to New York session openings around 6 o'clock a.m. Eastern. And usually around this time, I exit positions. The only one I'm going to stay in is pound Australian dollar. The Australian dollar is very weak, pound is very strong. So if you notice, we didn't get much of a retracement. In fact, price is finding support on many of these, so I'm going to exit most of these. I had a loss on Swiss yen, but we did pretty good Australian yen because obviously Australian dollar is extremely um, weak, so it's about 24 pips on that. Canadian, we made about 11 pips. I'm going to stay in on this pound Aussie dollar, and it's continuing to go up. It never went below the main pivot point, and it's in a strong uptrend on all time frames. So there may be a bit of a retracement during the New York session, but Australian dollar should continue to sell off. So again, here is me go through the analysis. Here was the run up on Friday. Not much on the Australian yen, but notice there was a retracement and it's bouncing off of S1 right now. Euro yen, again, not much of a uptrend on Friday, 160 pips, and it went down about 80 pips. So it put in, it gave us back about more than half, but it's finding support around that main pivot point, so I needed to exit that trade. And the other one was a pound yen. Again, here's a run up. I took the trade during the Asian session when this pin bar appeared, and should have gotten out earlier, but you never know. I was hoping for the market to sell off, but the pound is not weak. It's very strong at the moment. The only pairs that were weak were the euro dollar and Australian dollar. And I think that was it. Oh, I think we had the Swiss yen. Okay. And here was the markets in an uptrend. Gave us a nice bearish candle, but recovered at the main pivot point, starting to go up now. So that's it. That's the yen cross retracements. It's still early in the day. There's still a possibility that the markets will, the yen crosses will sell off. It's just hitting strong resistance or a support level at the main pivot point right now. And because we're coming into the New York session, I didn't want to take that chance. I just wanted to exit those trades. Usually by this time of day, the market's pretty much has done its whatever retracement it's going to do. Okay, so see everyone in the trade room. We're going to be opening up in about 2 hours. Right now it's about 6:15, and we do have news events. We are going to be trading the core retail sales forecasted minus 0.1. If we get plus 0.4, we're going to be buying the US dollar. If we have minus 0.6%, we're going to be selling the US dollar. And we'll focus on 3 or 4 different pairs and using our straddle method. Okay, have a good trading week, guys.